Yeah guys, today I'm going to play my favorite game Fortnite, and then I'm going to do some TikTok dances, and then I'm going to watch my favorite watch show, the band's Watch Club, for people with tiny wrists. So, clearly I'm just joking, but if you are Ben from Ben's Watch Club, maybe you shouldn't watch this episode of the low mid budget watch report. Welcome back to the low mid budget watch report. And today I'm going to unbox the Catalina Gold Rosé Ingersoll watch. And yeah, if you are Ben from Ben's Watch Club, please do not watch this. This watch might be a little bit too big for you. And yeah, I get 50 subs. That's great. That's awesome. I never thought I would have 50 subscribers to this channel, but it's cool. You're all my watch bros. Yeah. So let's get to the unboxing part, and let's get to the unboxing part. Where did I put the box? Yeah. Here is the box. Ingersoll is, you can see it's Ingersoll, and 1892. It's an old watch company, and yeah, the box have some fat stains because I guess I ordered a pizza while picking up the box at the postal office, and here we go. It's a box inside the box, and it's a leather box. Smells good, looks great. It also has the Ingersoll logo, and I've been thinking many times about buying an Ingersoll, and the only reason I never bought an Ingersoll before, it is the name Ingersoll. It might not mean anything to anyone except Swedish people, as we had a lot of teachers in the 80s and daycare center caretakers that was named Inger, and yeah, Inger is always, typical teacher name. I guess you don't want to wear a teacher name on your wrist. Yeah, it's a stupid thing, but that's the reason that I never thought about buying it. It's only the name, but it's a cool watch brand. It's a cool watch company. It has a nice history. So I saw this one on sale. It was about $250 something, and it was very cheap for an automatic, well-known watch brand. So I just bought it because I thought it looked cool also on the in the commercial or whatever. Yeah, let's open up this box in a box. This leather box. It's almost like a watch roll. Very nice. Yeah, the inside is nice too. And here's the watch on a pillow. But let's take a look inside the box if there's anything else. Was there anything else in this box? Yeah, it's a warranty, authenticity card, and a warranty card. And okay, I can't pull out the freaking card. It's stuck. Yeah. Here is the authenticity card. And you can register your lifetime warranty and access your instruction manual. Please scan this code or visit Ingersoll Ingersoll something.com. Yes, I will actually do that later. And there's nothing else in the box. There's actually a lifetime warranty. That's cool. That's great. And here is there's a tag, Ingersoll tag, pillow. Nice pillow, yeah. It's great. It's a big pillow for a big watch. And here's the tag. And here's the actual watch. It started by itself by me moving it. It is an automatic watch. It looks great. Feels heavy. I actually like the rosy gold color on it. And I will pull off this plastic. Maybe I shouldn't, but I will pull off this plastic sticker on the glass. Well, let's get to the measurements. Yeah, this is a very big watch, and it's a 44.5 millimeter case. But from the bottom to the top of the crown, it is 46 millimeters. And from lug end to lug end, it is 47 millimeters. And the thickness of the watch is about almost 13 millimeters. Yeah, and there's no point of measure between the lugs because you couldn't change this bracelet to a NATO band or anything, because you see this is integrated. This is an integrated bracelet. You could actually remove the bracelet, but you know it's not. You would have to put a very you had to adjust the NATO band somehow, and yeah, it will be a whole lot of stupid things to do for nothing. You don't change the bracelet on this watch. Actually, you will have to stick with the bracelet. Yeah, and the bracelet is very solid. You can't, as you can see here, you can't adjust it very much. So you'll have to have at least normal size wrist to wear this. If you have you could actually have a small wrist too, but you not too small though, because you see it only goes like this. So that's why I actually don't recommend this to Ben from Ben's Watch Club. But yeah, and the glass is mineral glass. There's no crystal glass. There's only mineral glass, and it's an automatic watch. And there's a display glass on the back side where you can see the movement. And this is actually my first watch with a display back on the display glass on the back side. That's not very important to me, but it's actually cool. You can see the movement. Yeah, it's a very nice looking movement. This is not a diver watch. It only does, what does it say? It's 5 ATM water resistant. So yeah, I wouldn't take a dive with this particular watch. This is more like a dinner type of watch. Well, let's try it on. I will try it on. Maybe I have a super small wrist and I will not be able to wear this watch, but I don't care too much if the watch is a little bit big though. Actually looks great and feels great on the wrist. But as you can see, it's a big chunky watch, perfect for dinner or just hanging out. This is it looks very luxury. It is, for me, it is a luxury watch. I like it. It's but it's a very cheap one. So for some people, it might be too cheap to wear as a luxury watch. But yeah, I think it's a luxury watch. That's my judgment of this watch. It's a luxury watch. It has a date window. Let's take a closer look at this watch. And this is how the watch looks up close on my wrist. And you can see the movement is very smooth. And there's the bracelet. And there's the display on the back. As you can see, I haven't removed all plastic, but it looks great. You can see the movement very clearly, and it's a nice logo on the movement. And yeah, the case back looks very nice. The dial looks very cool too. Yeah, very, very, very nice made. And here's the clasp. As you see what type of clasp it is. It's you just push this and it's open. Very nice, very easy. Let's see. The Lume looks very nice, nothing out of the ordinary, but this is not a diver watch, so I don't know what the Lume is for. Maybe if there's a blackout on the dinner meeting. Yeah, what can I say about this watch? What can I say about the Ingersoll? This is the perfect dinner watch. This is perfect, going out on a date or, hanging out with your business partners or whatever. You see, I got fucking flies here. And yeah, it looks very clean. It looks nice. It's a well-known brand, and if you can get this for like around $300, it's perfect. And yeah, the clasp is very nice, easy folding clasp. You push the button and there it goes. Very wearable watch, a bit big, maybe not for the ladies. And yeah, I like the rose gold one. There's also a silver color one, and yeah, and one with a blue dial. This dial, as you can see, is very dark. It is the Ingersoll Catalina, perfect for going to the Catalina chopper meet or whatever. Yes, and that's probably all for now. I don't. I will try this watch out as I do with my other watches, and I'll tell you something later if I get any problems with this. But I will register my lifetime warranty. So yeah, seems very legit. And I see you in a few days or weeks. I don't know. Depends on how smooth this summer is. And yeah, that's all for now. Peace.